Hello guys, it's Marilyn here. I have been able to do videos in a long time. I had bursitis in my right hand and a lot of pain and inflammation, but I'm happy to feel better and to be back. I really miss all of you. Today I have a video tutorial for my Creative Scrapbook using the July limited edition kit, and let's get started with the tutorial. Here you see that I am folding a white paper. I have been inspired in this pattern paper that you see in my left side, the white with the surfboard. So I am trying to trace the half of the shape of the surfboard in the white paper here, and I'm using the pencil to trace the shape, and I'm going to cut it now to make a mold with the shape of the surfboard. And you can see here I'm going to check with my base paper that has the height that I want, and it fits perfect for what I want to do in my page. Now I'm going to trace it in this pattern paper and cut it out. And I'm using today the July limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. Is so gorgeous, this kit. You will love it. And it has this surfboard collection by Prima Marketing. It has the flowers, a stencil. You will see all the things that I'm going to use in my project today. I'm going to prepare now my paper and apply clear gesso. And with a spatula I cover all the paper, and I'm going to let it dry. Now is when I take a piece of chipboard and I trace the same surfboard, because I want to add this on the back of the pattern paper. And I'm going to use the liquid adhesive to adhere here on the back. And now these surfboards stay very sturdy, and the chipboard gives me a little of dimension. Now I want to add textures on the background. I'm using modeling paste, and I want to show you this stencil that comes in the kit. I just love it. It has a lot of waves. That I finished to put the modeling paste. I am going to add a little white gesso over the modeling paste, just because I want that to highlight the stencil work. Look how cool is this stencil. I am removing a little of the paste around just to enhance or highlight the shapes of the waves on the background. And I'm adding a little more of texture in this side here. I'm going to dry this before I apply the rest of the modeling paste, just to check what exactly I want the rest of the modeling. And I'm going to add a little more here where is the top of the surfboard. Look how cool is this stencil. Perfect. And a little more in this side of the paper here. And I am applying modeling paste, and then over the modeling paste a little of the white gesso. And that's it. Let me clean the border here with the spatula here, and that is okay. Many of you ask me what I do with all my pages. Well, I always cut a 12 by 12 chipboard, as you see here, and I'm using double tape, and I'm going to adhere. Once I cut the border here, I will add the paper to the chipboard, and it eliminates the curves that the mixed media give to the paper. It stays sturdy and perfect no matter how you put on the page. If you add a lot of flour, no matter, because these make the paper very strong. Now I'm using the distress tool by Prima, and I'm distressing all the edges of the surfboard to give this lovely effect on the border. I don't know, I think that it looks so flat, so I'm adding 3D foam tape on the back, adding a little of the liquid glue just to secure this on my paper. And now it's time to adhere direct to the base paper. It's ready. Now here is the photo. I also add a piece of cardboard behind, and this is one of the ephemera packages. I will use it as my title, and I cut a piece of cardboard too, just to give the same dimension that the photo has. Here's when I'm going to start to build and to embellish my page. And I'm adding now a piece of white cheesecloth that I already painted with acrylic paint, with white acrylic paint. These are some of the flowers from the kit. This one is from the ephemera packaging, and you will see that I will make my composition with the different elements from the kit. The flowers, I already cut some images from some of the pattern papers, and now I'm going to build this, and I will let you with music, and I come back soon. Okay, I'm going to make some stamp here. I'm using this Recollection white ink with the stamp that comes in the kit from Boboni. I took this part of the stamp, you can see here, it's like a bubbles, and it goes perfect with the waves and the water theme. And I'm going to stamp randomly around the area that has the stencil work, and I will add enough of this stamping. You will see. Now I'm going to add more texture, and I'm going to adhere art stones with 3D gloss gel. I'm going to also to add some pearls, and I'm trying to put the art stone in layers, some in the paper, of others over the flowers, to create layers and dimensions on my project. now I cover my photo because it is the last step. I am adding white paint splatter over all these textures and over all about everything because I just love this technique, and you will see now how it turns out. I just love the final result. Take a look how lovely it looks. This kit is awesome. Remember that in the description box down below is the link to the kit. If you want to be in contact with me in my social media, check down below. And please, if you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. I really hope that this video inspired you. And if you create something, just hashtag my name. I want to see what you create. Here are 2 more videos that maybe you are interested, and I see you soon with other video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.